Hey, what is up, investors? Jason here. So we're going to be talking about Ethereum Classic again. So what we currently have going on with Ethereum Classic is it's been making these pretty aggressive price pumps. Now, currently the price of Ethereum Classic is around $41. And the thing is, we've been seeing a trade between a 52-week range of a low of $12.44 and a high of $77. So if we were to look at where we're at right now, we're kind of in the middle of those two price points. So we do have some room to grow here if we're hoping that it's going to start moving closer in range towards its highs. But of course, with crypto, anything is possible. So, I mean, anything can happen at any point, but we do have that catalyst there with the Ethereum merge, which is adding a lot of fuel to Ethereum Classic right now and really helping out with these price pumps. But an amazing thing that's been going on is just looking at where the price has been just over this last month, where Ethereum Classic is up about 180%. So that's some pretty significant price moves right there. So taking a look over at Ethereum real quick, and I'm looking at Ethereum over these last 30 days. Now, over this last 30 days, Ethereum's price is up 60%. Ethereum is making some pretty big moves. Now, not anywhere close to how much Ethereum Classic is moving, but looking over at the Ethereum Classic Ethereum chart, what we can see is that at this moment, though, with these recent price pumps that we've been seeing with Ethereum, we are now seeing the Ethereum Classic Ethereum chart trading sideways a good amount, especially all throughout the month of August. Now, looking at Ethereum Classic on the daily chart, what we have going on is the best bullish case scenario right now, where that 20-day moving average is making a lot of distance between itself and that 200-day moving average, and that 50-day moving average doing that whole crisscross over that 200-day moving average as well. Now, we have been seeing a slowdown in trading activity on Ethereum Classic recently. That's why we're not really seeing much with the price movements as we were towards the end of July. But the trading activity on the Ethereum Classic network did peak between July 27th and July 29th, where the trading highs were between 4.4 billion and 4.74 billion in trading volume. Now, as far as where the price is going to be going here in the short term leading up into the merge, what I think we're going to be seeing is we're going to be seeing a bit more consolidation within the price, probably doing a bit more of a rising wedge type pattern leading into that Ethereum merge, or at least leading into the month of September. And then from there, as far as what we might see when Ethereum goes completely to proof of stake, I think that a lot of the miners are really going to do this big transition into Ethereum Classic. And I think that that's that catalyst with all the miners jumping in and mining Ethereum Classic, because it's still proof of work. I think that that's going to be where we can start seeing some larger price pumps. Even if we were to see the price of Ethereum even go down a bit of selling off with Ethereum, I think that Ethereum Classic will still be able to have some momentum there, due to the fact that there will be a bunch of miners jumping in and a bunch of Ethereum Classics being mined and being held, and that could be something that could really create some momentum with it. And I think that we'll eventually see that price here in the short term go to around $50. I think we're going to see a good amount of resistance at that price of $50, especially since we already are seeing a good amount of it at the price of $45. And I think that we're going to see a good amount of resistance after we get past that price point and we go to the price of $50. And then what I think is going to happen, we're probably going to hang out there for a bit. And then when the merge does happen, more than likely what we might be seeing is that price have a bit of a breakout there after some more consolidation, and hopefully take us to a price of around $60. I would think that could be a real possibility. And that's just going off of the history that we had seen, because I'm saying that the price could go to $50 due to where the price of Ethereum Classic was at back in the end of March and April, around there, where we were seeing that price working up to that price of $50, having a lot of consolidation around that price, and really trying to get over that and pump a bit higher from there. So more than likely, I think that that's going to be that next phase that we're going to be going to. And then eventually, we might be seeing some crazy pumps. Who knows? Maybe even something like we had seen back in May of 2021, but anything is possible there. It's all depending on how the market moves. So the biggest catalyst for Ethereum Classic is the fact that Ethereum is moving into proof of stake, because Ethereum Classic being the proof of work, having the proof of work mechanism, and the miners transitioning from Ethereum into Ethereum Classic and that accumulation with Ethereum Classic and the more wallets, more transactions, all that stuff that can just continue to grow. And also, when you think about it, Ethereum Classic still has that smart contract capabilities. It has all those things that we like with Ethereum is still there with Ethereum Classic. So there's more things to get excited about with Ethereum Classic. And as far as the price between now and into the merge, like I was saying, I think that we're going to just see, we're going to continue to see that price have multiple pumps leading into mid-September. And I think that price of around $50 will be at where we'll be some point in that time, as long as we continue to see the momentum within Ethereum. Now, of course, we'll continue to see normal market fluctuations, up days, down days. You have to expect that, like we're even seeing at this point. But we will have those consolidated pumps within the price at different points, and I think that will take us into that price of $50, and that would be the big testing price for Ethereum Classic. If it can get above that $50 price within that time, then that could be something that could, who knows where that could take us. But that's my price prediction. I think that we could possibly be seeing Ethereum Classic going to around $50 leading into the Ethereum merge. So with that being said, though, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. Thank you for watching and listening. I'll see you in the next one.